All right, November 720 Sierra again. It is now 18:15. We started about 2:30. I flipped this over and we did the other side. And this is November 720 Sierra. Shiloh, say hi. Can you wave at the camera? Please. Wait. Yeah. So this is who we're building the plane for, actually. Hopefully she'll be a pilot when we pass on, or I'll pass on anyway. Yeah, she's going to live forever. I got 20 years and that's it. And then she'll live on. So, where are we? Okay, this is a horizontal stabilizer. We're finished with it except for, I ran out of these, number 993 4.8 by 10 millimeter aluminum dome rivets. I got to order about 12 more from Sling. The reason I ran out is because I had to take apart the piece over here, and I had to use those to put them back in. Otherwise, I would have had enough, but I didn't. I took them out. I had to take some ring off on one side before. You saw me do that. My mistake, but anyway, did it. So I'm going to call Sling or write them an email, and they should ship me about 12 more of these. Then this will be done. Got the clicos in here, take them out, put them in, and we'll be done with the horizontal stabilizer. So anyway, what would you like to say?
I think Tiffany here. Normally I'm the one behind the camera, but today I step out front and I just want to say thank you so much for watching, subscribing to, and commenting on our videos. We're having a great time with this build and we really get a kick out of hearing what you guys have to say. If you want to help us out a little bit more, check out our GoFundMe and Give, Send, Go pages. The links will be down in the comments. Thanks.
All right, yeah, we're up to 138, but we're getting more people watching than subscribing, so if you haven't subscribed, please do. I keep forgetting to say that. That's it for now. She wants to do a short little video. We're going to do that in the next few days, so watch for that. And that's it for now. I got to clean up this mess, but we'll get to it eventually. All right, if you have any questions, leave us a comment. We'll answer them. All right, thank you. All right, good afternoon. November 720 Sierra here. This is Steve in the garage with JR, a friend of mine. So anyway, retired A&P and pilot. So we actually, I forgot to roll the film as I was putting in these last rivets into here. I was 11 short. I wrote to Sling and they shipped me out for sent in the mail 15 of them, so I got a couple extras, which is great. I'll use them on something else I mess up on. But this is the horizontal stabilizer and it is now complete. He likes to help people to make sure that our builds are going correctly. He's worked with some schools doing some RV12s and helping them out. So he likes to build, and so I invited him to come over. And we just finished the horizontal stabilizer. I forgot to roll the film while I was shooting the last rivets, but we went ahead and cleaned up already. And so everything is clean here as far as I had all the mandrels were laying up here and all the clicos and stuff as we were taking them out, just screw them down. So anyway, this represents the conclusion of building the horizontal stabilizer for the Sling TSi. The wire is in and sitting here, so that's another stuff later. But it's in. The elevator is completed. It's upstairs in the house, sitting in the room to get it out of the garage. So I'm going to take this up there in a minute, but I just wanted to shoot a quick video to say that this is the first thing that I started to build was the horizontal stabilizer, and then I messed up on those two parts right in here, those doubler plates that were in here, and JR was over when we took the old ones out and put the new ones in, and he showed me why I messed up, and putting the new doubler plates in are now nice and snug and tight. So the four rivets that they represent right in here are in and tight, and it's sitting in there really well. So I'm glad I went ahead and did bought the new pieces and had them shipped out and replaced them. Because now it's the way it should have been in the first place, except that it was my first build and first part of the very first build, and I messed up. So probably won't be the last time, but that's what it is. So I just wanted to throw a quick video here at the very end saying that the Lincoln altitude is now finished. This is part I have to fix to complete. So for now, it's done. So this will go into storage now. You can't really see it, but underneath this RB12 tail cone of the fuselage, underneath that is the Sling TSi fuselage kit. So that's probably my next work on. So haven't even taken it out. I haven't even opened it up and inventoried it yet. It weighs about 430 pounds. So I had some plastic sawhorses, and I put it up on one and was trying to move it a tiny bit, and it broke. So kit went back to the ground, and I'm working with a friend of mine who's a welder, and he's designed me a couple of metal sawhorses that we are actually going to put the sawhorses on wheels, and I actually have 2 sets of casters here. So I need 4 for each sawhorse. So we will be doing that in the not too distant future. I'm going to weld the sawhorses together and put the wheels on the bottom so that I can move the crate around as I need to. We'll put a little kick on it so that it just brings the sawhorses off the ground a half an inch or so. And then the wheels will be on the ground and I can move things around. So another project, but that'll be fun. Anyway, so that's it. It is, June 1st. I'm in the garage. Outside temperatures probably, well, it rained a little bit this morning. Outside temperatures probably around 90. But that's better than the 110 when I started this, and better than the 30 that I was doing in the winter time out here. It's pretty cool. So anyway, thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. There's some cool videos and a couple other things. My wife's going to shoot a short video here, a couple minutes. That's since you wanted to. So anyway, this is November 720 Sierra. Steve and Emily in League City building a Sling TSi and a Vans RV12. So back and forth depending on what we're working on. And some people say don't do that, just concentrate on one. Luckily it's mostly all the same tools. So that's one good thing. Mostly, yeah, because this has mostly pop rivets, but there's a few, what's the other rivet?
It has some solid.
Has some solid rivets, but I don't have a tool that puts in solid rivets, so that's something I'm gonna have to get, but he has a couple of them, so I'll just borrow one of his. What's that?
You can use that.
So anyway, all right, if you'd like to donate to the projects, GoFundMe is set up for the Sling TSi, and the Give Send Go is set up for the RV12 now. So if you'd like to donate to either project, we'd appreciate it. Links are down below. Anyway, thank you very much, and we'll see you on the next video. November 720 Sierra.